Hello, my amazing seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day senior fitness series. And today is day 34. If you're new here, we're doing simple, powerful daily leg exercises to stay strong and balanced. So grab your chair, find a comfy spot, and let's get moving together. Exercise 1, seated leg lifts, 50 reps. All right, my amazing seniors, welcome to day 34 of our 60-day senior fitness series. Today we are starting with our first movement, seated leg lifts. This is a wonderful and safe exercise to strengthen your thighs, knees, and hips, and to keep your legs active and flexible. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands at the sides of your chair for support. Take a deep breath in. Lift your right leg slowly until it is straight in front of you. Hold it for a moment, then bring it back down. Now lift your left leg the same way. We will alternate legs and perform 50 repetitions together. Remember to breathe, move slowly, and stay comfortable. Are you ready? Let us begin our count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your back tall. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful work. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Feel your muscles warming. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Halfway to 40, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent rhythm. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep smiling. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are doing great. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay strong. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Beautiful job, everyone. You have just completed all 50 repetitions of seated leg lifts. How are you feeling right now? Do your legs feel warm and active? This exercise improves your blood circulation, strengthens your lower body, and helps maintain balance and stability. Remember, every repetition you complete today adds strength and independence to your body. Keep this energy going and get ready for our next movement. Exercise 2. Sit to stand, chair squats. 50 repetitions. Now, my strong and active seniors, it is time for exercise number 2, sit to stand or chair squats. This exercise is one of the best for building leg strength, improving balance, and keeping your body confident in daily movements like standing up, sitting down, or getting out of bed. Begin by standing right in front of your chair. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly forward, and make sure your chair is steady against the wall or a firm surface. Cross your arms in front of your chest, or place your hands lightly on your thighs for balance. Now slowly lower yourself down until your hips just touch the chair, then press through your heels and stand tall again. Remember, keep your back straight, move slowly, and breathe evenly. We will do 50 repetitions together, step by step. Are you ready? Let us begin our count and build strong legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice and easy, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great rhythm. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 'Wonderful progress. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 'Keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 'You are getting stronger. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 'Excellent energy. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 45. 'Almost there. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Fantastic job, everyone! You have completed all 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. How are you feeling right now? I know your legs must be feeling warm and powerful. Tell me in the comments which country you are watching from and how your body feels after this exercise. Share this video with 5 or 7 of your senior friends so they can join our healthy movement too. You are doing great. Stay strong and get ready for the next exercise. Exercise 3. Heel raises, standing calf lifts. 50 repetitions. Now, my wonderful seniors, let us move to exercise number 3. Heel raises or standing calf lifts. This is a simple but very effective movement that strengthens your calves, ankles, and feet and improves your balance. Please stand tall behind your chair and hold the top of the chair lightly for support. Keep your feet about hip width apart and your back straight. Now, slowly lift your heels off the ground so that you are standing on your toes. Hold that position for a moment, then gently lower your heels back down to the floor. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. This exercise helps improve blood flow in your legs and gives you better control when walking or standing. Let us begin our count and do 50 repetitions together. Remember to breathe deeply, stay upright, and smile through every lift. Ready? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift gently. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great balance. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing beautifully. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Steady and strong. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep that rhythm. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice control. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Wonderful work. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Almost there. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. Just 5 more. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Amazing job, everyone! You have completed all 50 heel raises and all 3 exercises for day 34. How do your legs feel right now? Are they lighter, warmer, and stronger? Tell me in the comments below where you are watching from and how your body feels after today's workout. If you completed this session, write Day 34 Done in the comments. Do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join our daily journey too. Stay active, stay confident, and I will see you tomorrow for Day 35 of our Senior Fitness series. Keep smiling and keep moving.